With our collaboration with 337 Speed, while we were filming the rollers and stuff, we kept hearing an exhaust leak from my car. We just couldn't find it. And this is one of those moments whenever you have a problem, you might not want to be closed-minded about it, because the guys at Mad Hatter Garage kind of turned me on to this Autoline Pro smoke machine. Before you swipe away, this is not an ad, okay? I'm just saying I have a problem. This is what solved it. So we've checked that the headers are not leaking. We've checked that the V-bands are not leaking. However, looks like we found smoke. Now, we found smoke because I hooked up an air compressor that's basically got a heating element going from our 12-volt battery, heating up more or less baby oil within this little cylinder, and I have it pushing it through the exhaust, and I sealed off the other side. And basically, wherever there's smoke, that's a leak. And turns out we have a leak right here.